Good evening everyone. My name is Karthik. Today we study identifiers in Python. So what are identifiers in Python? An identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, class, module or object. Identifiers helps in differentiating one entity from another. Python is a case sensitive programming language meaning age means there is a capital A in this age and there is a small a in this age. So these two are different. Capital A age and small a age are different identifiers in Python because Python is a case sensitive programming language. So there is an example, name will be code tantra 1 and another name will be code tantra 2. Here name is starts with capital N, here name starts with small n. Here code tantra 1 starts with capital small c, here code tantra 2 starts with capital C. Basically there is a identifier program. So first here is capital N and another name starts with the small n. So these are different identifiers in Python. They are not considered as same. Here are the identifiers capital N A M E and small n A M E are different because these are differences in their case. Rules for writing identifiers. So what are the rules for writing identifiers? So first is identifiers can be a combination of lowercase letter a to uppercase letter a to z or digit 0 to 9 or an underscore. Example, my class, where underscore 1, print this to screen, underscore number, etc. An identifier can start with an alphabet or an underscore but not with a digit. So remember that an identifier is always starts which does not start with a digit. It can start with an alphabet or an underscore. One underscore variable is invalid because it starts with digit, but variable underscore is a perfect line because it starts with the alphabet V. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers because keywords are the reserved words. We cannot use keywords as identifiers. Keywords are reserved words in Python which have a special meaning. Keywords in Python will be explained later. Example, def and not, for, while, if, else and so on are the keywords in Python. They are reserved words. Next is special symbols like exclamatory sign, @ hash, dollar, percentage, modulus, etc. are not allowed in identifier. We cannot use these special symbols in identifiers. Only one special symbol underscore is allowed. Only underscore is allowed in identifiers. Identifiers can be of any length. Naming convention in Python naming convention for Python identifiers. Class name starts with an uppercase letter. All other identifiers start with a lowercase letter. Starting an identifier with a single leading underscore indicates that the identifier is private. Starting an identifier with two leading underscore indicates that the identifier is strongly private. Means if the identifier starts with the single underscore means the identifier is private. If the identifier starts with the double underscore means the identifier is strongly private. If an identifier begins with two leading underscore and also ends with two trailing underscores means if an identifier starts with the two underscore and then the identifier name like war and then again two underscores, then it indicates that the identifier is a language defined special name. For example, docstring become underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. So it is a special attribute of an object. So these are the identifiers in Python.